Today, YouTube has announced a brand new way on how to monetize your channel, and I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know on how to join the new YouTube Partner Program. Hey guys, Seb from Wolf here, and like I said, I'm going to be breaking down this new feature that YouTube has released for the YouTube Partner Program, and stay tuned until the very end of this video because I'm going to be revealing a secret method on how you can actually monetize your channel in just 1 month. So if you didn't know, in order to actually make money on YouTube, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. And the traditional method of doing this and the current way of doing it right this second is to actually have 1,000 subscribers, which is the first threshold. And then the second threshold, which was the bottleneck, is actually getting 4,000 watch hours within 12 months. Now, typically on average, it will take a creator who is posting consistently every week or every 2 weeks about 8 to 12 months to actually reach this watch hour threshold. So as you can expect, it was extremely hard to achieve. Well, the good news is all of that is about to change in a few weeks from now. Obviously, there is still going to be that traditional method where you have that 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, but there's also going to be the second method on how to apply to the YouTube Partner Program, and that's going to be having that 1,000 subscribers still, but the second way is actually having 10 million views in the shorts section of YouTube. Now, I know that might sound absolutely crazy to you, and to some of you might even think, whoa, that's actually a lot harder. Why is he saying it's going to be easier? Well, it is actually going to be easier to achieve because 10 million views isn't very hard to achieve with YouTube Shorts, because you'll actually notice if you're a big channel or a small channel, YouTube Shorts get on average 100 times more views than your traditional YouTube videos get, and they also take 10 times less time to create. You can literally just use your phone, record your YouTube Shorts, and then upload it straight from your app. You don't have to do anything complicated, and you can even edit your video inside the app. So it's going to be 10 times faster to create YouTube Shorts, and you can just post 3 or 5 YouTube Shorts a day, and then within a few months from then, you'll have those 10 million views. Not to mention, going viral on YouTube Shorts is also 10 times easier. You'll notice that you can just upload pretty much anything and it's going to get thousands of views. So you're pretty much good going in that direction. If you want to get monetized, just start uploading a bunch of shorts. Now, at the start of the video, I did mention a secret method on how you can actually get monetized super quickly. And right now I'm going to explain what that method is. So if you're like me and you've been on TikTok or Instagram for a while, and you're actually a Instagram Reels or a TikTok creator, well, the secret recipe is all you have to do is download those videos, typically your most viral ones, and then you're going to want to re-upload those to YouTube Shorts, and bada boom, you've now got a whole library of content you can just upload to YouTube Shorts, and then you're going to start racking up all of those views, and then you're going to be monetized in no time at all. Now, if you want to know our secret strategy on how you can actually automate this process by downloading your TikTok videos automatically and then automatically uploading them to YouTube with your titles and hashtags, then click on this video right here to go ahead and watch that now, and don't forget to like the video.